today's video, I'm going to be showing you very legit websites and apps that's going to pay you immediately, and it's one of the easiest ways to make money online. You're going to earn $100 daily. It's super duper easy, super duper simple, just a few simple steps that you need to follow, and that's literally it. Obviously, if you follow and listen and watch and really pay attention, you're going to be earning $100 and even more. You never know. So how do you do it? We're about to find out. All you have to type in is www. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. First things first, I do want to clarify what instantly or immediately actually means, okay? Now, most of these websites, they have payout thresholds, okay? But I selected websites which have low payout thresholds, which means that when we say instantly, it means the withdrawal process. So as soon as you've reached that payout threshold and you want to withdraw your earnings, you're going to receive that money in your account right away, just a few minutes, and as it's in the same day, and that's absolutely great. And the best thing about all of these apps is that we're actually going to be able to earn like real money from these money making apps, not just point, nothing like that, but real money. So it means they're legit. Again, it's free, it's available worldwide. I know you guys are gonna love it, so let's jump right into it. So our first app is called superpay.me. Now, I've talked about this before, but the thing is, if you notice, it's in a completely brand new setup. They have a completely brand new website, which means they have completely brand new updates and better pay, which I know you guys are gonna love, because superpay.me has been such a great website for all of my subscribers, and imagine them upgrading. What more can they even offer? Everything. So I know you guys are going to love it. You're going to get paid right away to do different tasks like online surveys, to download apps, play games, and so on. Now, there are a few tasks that you can do on this website to earn money. Obviously, they also have a referral program that you can also use to make more money just by inviting your friends and helping them earn money and using this app, and then you're going to earn from what they earn as well. So as you can see here, make money online with the fastest paying survey site, cash out instantly, and that's exactly what we're focusing on. That's what we want. This is an app that I've been using for so long. You guys know that. And I can assure you that as soon as I want to cash out, when I have the payment threshold, I receive the money right away, sometimes with just in a few minutes. So it's great. It's super fast, right? It's instant, pretty much. So cash out instantly from as little as $1 using PayPal, crypto, Skrill, and gift cards. So that's another thing that I love about this website, okay? They have a ton of different payment options. So maybe if you don't have PayPal, then you can choose either crypto, Skrill, gift cards. Literally, they cater to everyone, anyone and everyone. And to continue, the payment threshold is actually just $1. So you can reach $1 in only a day, maybe even a few hours. It's super easy, right? And now we move on to our second website, which is called surveytime.io, and this is where you can make money by taking different surveys. Now this one takes instantly to a whole new level, because the moment that you finish taking a survey, they pay you right away. No payout threshold. It will get sent into your bank account right away. They have a ton of payment options as well, just like superpay.me. They have PayPal, which is what I personally use and prefer. They have Bitcoin if you want that. They have Amazon gift cards and a lot more. So it's amazing. Now, they also have a great referral program as well. They're going to give you an affiliate link that you're going to be able to share around and literally give to anyone who wants to use and try out the website. And if they do, use your link to start working and to start using this website, you're going to get paid, which is amazing. The best part is you're going to get paid the same amount of money that the people who you brought to the website are going to earn. And that makes it an amazing referral program, if I should say so myself. Comment down below where you're from and what devices you use, and also tell me if you're an Android user or an iOS user. All this information really helps me figure out what to do for my future videos. I mean, these videos are for you guys anyway, so I really want to make sure I get as much output from you guys as possible. Now let's keep going. Moving on to our third app, which is called OfferNation.com. This is a bit new. You've probably never heard about this, but it's another money-making app. It has a very low payout threshold, which we love, just like SuperPay.me, and they're pretty much from the same company. So you're going to get paid right away the moment you reach $1. There are a ton of different payment options as well, like Skrill, Amazon gift cards, Bitcoin, PayPal, and Tango Card, and they also pay instantly. And our fourth app on our list is called CitizenMe.com, which is, again, probably new to you guys. Now, the thing about this is that it doesn't pay much, but they do have the lowest payment threshold. You only have 0.1 cents, and they are going to pay you right away into your PayPal account. No hassle or anything. So it's great. And of all the apps on our list, I would say that CitizenMe and SurveyTime.io, they are the fastest paying apps because you're going to earn the money instantly, pretty much, right? Now, that's it for CitizenMe. Moving on to the fifth app, which is called Earnably.com, and it's, again, one of the fastest paying money earning apps, again, with a very low payout threshold. You can see the consistency here, and Earnably is going to pay you right away as soon as you reach $1, just like the rest. And it is in this app, okay, this is the app that we're looking at. So digital rewards and gift cards made easy. As you can see here, all you have to do is earn instant rewards, okay? And then to do so, you're going to complete tasks, watch videos, and take surveys. It's super duper easy. And then as you scroll down, you're going to see instant rewards that you can actually earn, like PayPal, Amazon gift cards, and so on and so forth. So it's amazing, right? If you guys are having fun with today's video, then make sure you leave us some love by liking and subscribing, and by commenting down below what your favorite has been so far. You can also hit that bell so that every time we have a new video up, you're going to be notified, and you can always be the first to know about the best news only from Money Shark. So let's continue. Now, the sixth app on our list is my personal favorite because I've used this app a lot. I still do until now, and I actually make a decent amount of money with this one. And this app is called InstaGC.com. Now, InstaGC is a worldwide website that's going to pay you to take surveys, and it's this app that you're seeing on our screen right now. So, earn points for things you already do online, like completing surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and searching the web. So there's 2 additional brand new tasks, which is something we do every single day. Now, these tasks are available and depending on where the users come from. So in South Africa, for example, you cannot earn points by watching videos or shopping online, but you can make money by completing surveys and whatever is left. But in other countries, you're going to be able to do all of these stuff to earn points. I know it's a bummer, but I guess it's the system and the internet reaching there, and maybe the advances in technology and stuff like that. Now, with this money-making app, okay, you're actually able to cash out that money the moment you reach $1. Now, you can check out their point system yourselves by going onto their website, going through it, discovering, and stuff like that. That's pretty much it. Make sure you try all 6 websites to get the best results off of today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.